We're finally done with our boom project. That took about 4 weeks all in all, with finding parts, ordering tooling to do this. It was quite something again. One of those boat projects. Started out with Jana discovered a couple of cracks on the boom, kind of at the bottom where those blocks are attached. Those attachment points are gone now. And so a huge thanks to Tom and Taylor at South Beach Riggers in South Toledo for supporting us with that and giving us invaluable information really on how to do this. So basically what happened here, we found a boom from a sailboat in Acapulco that was wrecked during the hurricane there that came through a few years ago. And so we started out cutting out a piece that would fit over here, and it fit perfectly. If you look at it, there's really not much space between that boom and our boom. It's a two-piece aluminum with a lower part that's kind of thick, a little bit thicker than our boom, and you don't see it here, but the top piece is much smaller, much thinner than our boom, but provides a lot of strength. And so it's held together by those rivets that are countersunk, so they don't provide any chafing and are more aerodynamic, kind of what they used to build airplanes with back in the 30s and stuff. So total 104 rivets. So it was a lot of work to cut this, to shape it, to make it fit. And then Jana and I spent the whole night from 5 in the afternoon to 5 in the morning, 12 hours non-stop, putting those in. You see, we used lots of sealant. We had to use what we had on board. I thought we had more of one kind, but we didn't. So there's couple of different sealants on there, some Life Seal there and some 5200. And we sealed out the hell of this. Doesn't look pretty right now, but everything is closed. No water can come in, so which is nice. Jana did her magic and made those nice ice places here in Dyneema. Actually, that was Tyler's idea to kind of wrap those straps over the top of the boom and not attached to the bales that used to be there at the bottom of the boom, so it gives us lots more strength. So not pretty, but it's super solid. I have lots of confidence that boom is stronger than it was before. When we get back to the States on the East Coast, we may just sand it down and paint it so nobody will even know there's a repair there. And hopefully it's holding up. There are a few things we may want to tweak, like the position of the blocks. Actually, this is pretty much where it was before. This one here is a little bit farther forward, so we may move this back. We also move the rear run back. If we have the space, give it a little bit of extra strength to hold the boom. But yeah, here it is. We're ready to go. I went to the port captain today. We filed and got all the documents. So we are leaving tomorrow with our friends over there at Salt Shaker. There's Tony in the cockpit, but he's busy getting ready. So we'll sail with them down south, see where we end up. And thanks for watching. See you soon.